Hy het ons lyding op hom geneem, ons siektes het hy gedra. Maar ons het hom beskou as een wat gestraf word, wat deur God geslaan en gepynig word. Oor ons oortredings is hy deurboor, oor ons sondes is hy verbrys. Die straf wat vir ons vrede moes bring, was op hom. Deur sy wonde het daar vir ons genesing gekom.
Ek onthou vir Dawid, voor die ark het hy gedans en juig, na die kruis van Jesus. Hoe sal ons kan hande vou en swyg? Daar was 'n houtkruis, 'n redder aan 'n houtkruis vasgeslaan. Ja, daar was 'n houtkruis, en daarom sal ek sing. Wie sal my kan stil maak? Wie sal my gitaar se snaar afbreek? Wie sal my kan doodmaak? As my voete in 'n danshul los wil breek. Daar was 'n houtkruis, ja, redder aan 'n houtkruis vasgeslaan. Ja, daar was 'n houtkruis, en daarom sal ek sing. Ek vra nie hoe jy voel nie, as gevoelens hoegenaamd besluite raak.
Eli, Eli, hoor die donder. Eli, Eli, o ek wonder, lama sabachthani. Gee nie om dat ek vergaan nie. Eli, hoor die stilte skree. Eli, o my siel, gee mee. Lama sabachthani. Sê ek droom, dis glad nie waar nie. Ek is alleen, ek is alleen, ek is alleen, ek is alleen. Eli, kyk, ek drink asyn. Eli, sien die spykerpyn. Lama sabachthani, die groter seer, u is nie daar nie. Eli, hier word ek vermoor. Sonde het my hart deurboor. Lama sabachthani. Geen engel wat by my kom staan nie. Ek is alleen, ek is alleen.
Were you there when they crucified my Lord? Oh, sometimes it causes me to tremble, tremble, tremble. Were you there when they crucified my Lord? Were you there when they nailed him to the tree? Were you there when they laid him in the tomb? Oh, sometimes it causes me to tremble, tremble. Were you there when they laid him in the tomb? Were you there when they rolled away the stone? Rose from the grave.
Was a wretch, I remember who I was. I was lost, I was blind, I was running out of time. Sin separated, the breach was far too wide. But from the far side of the chasm, you held me in your sight. So you made a way across the great divide, left behind heaven's throne to build it here inside. And there at the cross, you paid the debt I owed, broke my chains, freed my soul, and for the first time I had hope. Thank you, Jesus, for the blood applied. Thank you, Jesus, it has washed me white. Thank you, Jesus, you have saved my life, brought me from the darkness into glorious light. You took my place, laid inside my tomb of sin. You were buried for 3 days, but then you walked right out again. And now death has no sting, and life has no end.
heaven's gates are open wide. He's alive. He's alive. He's alive and I'm forgiven. Heaven's gates are open wide. He's alive.
Moenie vir my bang wees. Ek weet julle soek Jesus, die een wat gekruisig is. Hy is nie meer hier nie.
I've seen the tears you've cried. I've seen your private pain. I've seen you trying and trying in vain. I've been here all the while, just watching and waiting. I've been hoping and praying that you look my way. But don't you know that I'm your refuge? Don't you know I'm here to run to? Just put your hand in mine and I'll show you the way. I can heal your troubled hearts, heal that life in its survey. In your stormy nights, I can make a brighter day. All that I'm asking is for you to put your hand in mine, yeah. When it seems you're back against the wall, your strength is gone and you're about to fall. The rain is beating hard, the storm is raging, and your faith in me is wavering. Listen closely and you'll hear my voice. I am asking, but it's still your choice, yeah. To put your hand in mine and I'll show you the way. I can heal your troubled hearts, heal that life in its array. In your stormy nights, I can make a brighter day. All that I'm asking is for you to put your hand in mine, and I'll show you the way. I can heal your troubled heart, heal that life in its array. In your stormy nights, I can make a brighter day. All that I'm asking is for you to put your hand in mine, in mine.
Only one spoke countless stars ablaze. Only one could breathe life into clay. Only one can quiet raging seas. Only one has power to redeem. Only one spoke countless stars ablaze. Only one could breathe life into flame. Only one left heaven for a cross. Only one knows every pain and loss. Only one could die my soul to save. And only one, the name above all names. All the praise goes to Jesus. All the praise to Him alone. All the glory and honor forevermore. All the praise to Him alone. All the praise to Him. Only one could crush the curse of sin. Only one was raised to life again. Only